Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download the subtitles for your movies in VLC media player. Okay, so to do that I have a sample file here, sample video file. This is not an actual movie file. I'm just going to open this file. Let me start playing this video. Okay, in the VLC menu bar, select the subtitle here. As you can see, this subtrack is disabled, which means that there is no subtitle is added till now in this video file. Okay, and I'm going to this view option here and I'm selecting this VL sub option here. Okay, by default it brings the video file name as a title here. Okay, I'm just going to remove this, and whatever the movie subtitles you wanted to download, you can just type the movie name here in this title text box. Okay, um, I'm just going to type Avengers here. Okay, and sorry, and you can select the video subtitle language also. There are a lot of languages you can download it. In my case I'm going to download the English subtitle. Okay, I have selected English here. Okay, and internet is must. Okay, because it will go and search in the internet and it will return the subtitle files based on the keyword search. Okay, let's see. I'm selecting the search by name here. As you can see, searching subtitles. Okay, now it's listing all of the Avengers movie subtitles because I have just given only the title name as Avengers. Okay, um, and one more thing is it may show you the lot of subtitles. Okay, you have to select the right subtitles for your movie name. Okay, so in my case I'm just going with the first one, just to show you download selection here. As you can see, subtitle track is added here and the subtitle loaded successful. Okay, and closing this pop-up. Now if I go to the subtitle here, as I can see, the sub track is enabled and the subtitle file also added. Okay, and the subtitle file which we downloaded now, it will be added in the same file path location. Okay, let's see the subtitle how it's added. Okay, I'm just playing this video again. As you can see, the subtitles are appearing now. Okay, thank you.